Hi, this is Sheetal Soni, and I thought that I will explain you a little bit about the workshop which we're going to conduct on 17th of July in ZORBA. I'm right now in ZORBA. I thought I'll take a tour also and I'll explain you what's going to happen in the workshop, right? So we're going to meet here on 17th, and I thought I'll take you around so it'll not be me anymore, just my voice and the place. So here it is. So this is ZORBA and this is where we will be in nature. This is where the drumming circle will happen. Post the workshop, the drums and dance would happen here in this whole place. And I thought I'll explain you. So while I walk and I show you this place, I'll also explain you what's gonna happen here. So we're gonna cover up couple of things, couple of types of healings here. And this healing is all about correcting our thoughts and patterns which have been influencing our life in multiple ways, right? So what happens that there is a pattern which we carry in life. Sometimes it's connected to our past lives, sometimes it's connected to our DNAs, sometimes this is connected to multiple other things which we can't even think about. So what we're going to do is we'll uncover a portion of our past life. Now, past life is something which when we sit for that session, it'll happen on its own, nothing to worry. Nothing goes wrong, nothing to worry about, nothing to be scared about. It just happens on its own, and you will be going to a past life which literally divine has chosen for you. Not that something will happen on its own. There will be something which divine has chosen for you to unfold, and that is something will happen during the past life regression. And we heal that part. We also get into the future life progression where we create our future accordingly, and then we get into the DNA healing. Now this DNA healing is not a regular DNA healing. This will be something which will be done in my own style, in a unique way which I'm trained on and have seen so many results and have seen so many success rates around it. So this DNA healing and DNA repair will happen in this workshop, and that we will be doing through sound and my own various techniques. That's what we will do. And we create and we identify and heal so many DNA patterns which are there in us, and the beauty of this is that it will heal on its own. Whatever pattern it is, it will happen on its own. Even if you are unable to figure out, things would happen on its own. Nothing to worry. Then comes the navel activation. Now, navel is something which is known as the seat of the soul. So you also know that in the womb, the source of child's food is something through the navel, the cord which is connected there. This is how it happens. And now our navel is so strong. That is something which governs our entire nervous system. Our gut lies there. Everything lies there. And that is what we will be doing, the navel activation. Because of the social conditioning around, because of so much of chaos and stress in our life, we have stopped getting connected to the source of our nourishment, source of our existence. So all that has stopped now. So to heal that part, we will be working on the navel activation, and that will again be done in my own unique way. And we will activate that part which is dead for so long, and we have not used it, and we have gotten stuck in so many mundanes of life that we are unable to heal some aspects of our life, right? So that's what we will do. And then of course we will be taking the shamanic journey, and in that shamanic journey through the drumming beats, we will be able to dive into something what divine wants us to see. You will be diving into many other aspects and many kingdoms where you would want to deal with, and also where you would like to heal. Now You may also land up meeting your power animals. You may also land up meeting the higher divine source. So lots of things happen in that too. So there is a logical sequence. This is only in nutshell I have told you. It is a very deep dived thing what we will be doing. It is not just about past life regression like any other workshops we do. It is more to that. It is more on why we are doing this, why we are connecting DNA healing and naval activation to it, so that whatever aspects of our life which are uncovered, that also gets healed, which we have not even tapped into. And many other things would happen in between. So make sure that you do not miss this opportunity. These workshops do not happen often. And this kind of a methodology where we are doing the DNA healing, the patterns which we are carrying in our life, the kind of belief systems that we are carrying in our life, that would happen. The naval activation would happen, which is actually the connection to the universal life force energy, our source, which we are connected with, which we have lost since the time of our birth, and we will restore it. And also we will also be healing through our shamanic journeys, which is a Native American way of healing. So much would happen. Even if you have done it before, do it again, because healing is something which is needed again. You need to breathe again and again. It's not that one time you breathe and you're done with. So we need to do it again and again. So that's what I thought I'll let you know. And this is what we will be healing. So we will bloom these flowers. We will bloom these flowers through our healings, and we'll bloom ourselves. These are very unique methodologies which we will be following. Do not miss the opportunity. Do come. And what better than such a beautiful divine place.